Alright guys, so this is what the front of this compound looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. You walk into these gates and it's so unassuming on the inside. There's all this lush greenery. Bruh, if you're ever in Merida, hit the link below and stay where we stayed. You would absolutely love it. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Can't see much off the street, but yeah, this is it. What up, citizens, and welcome back with another banger. We are starting this road trip off right. If you remember a few videos back, I went to this place called Pan Montejo, and they had what was known as an Aztec muffin. Still to this day, the best muffin I've ever had in my entire life. So I'm walking up here right now. I'm gonna get a few muffins to go with this road trip, and I'm gonna take them back with us. Also, you know, I might eat a few in the car because they're that damn good. Anyways, guys, here goes Pan Montejo. Do y'all see our car right now? Hangers falling down, bro. Stuff falling out the back. This is a wild little expedition that we're taking right now.
If you guys listen to the Move video or podcast,
check out our podcast. Make sure to go and see it on iTunes and Spotify, and subscribe there, by the way.
Everything in here is what we were getting on the plane with.
Yeah. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but like as we turn corners, stuff is just falling, bro.
In half a mile,
falling.
turn left into the parking lot.
Anyways, just left Pan Montejo, on our way to go get some lunch. Right, baby? And then we're gonna hit the road, guys. Don't want to drive on an empty stomach. That's uncivilized. And guys, once again, we are back to Chiliquilas. Baby.
Yes.
We're back at our favorite Chiliquilas place here in Merida, right?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, this is our favorite Chiliquilas place since we've been here, for sure.
And we've tried them.
We have tried that. Guys, does this look familiar? Of course it does, because we did a whole video here. The people are so kind, they're so nice, they're so friendly, and the food is fuego.
However, I'm not a big normal milk drinker. This is normal milk, and I can tell 100%. So I need to take it easy on this.
Otherwise, we're all gonna be punished. We're all gonna be punished. Look at the setup we got going on here. Pretty freaking dope, right?
Definitely the best.
Literally best chilaquiles in all of Mexico. All of Mexico. Well, Merida, Mexico. Let me just say that. Phenomenal. If you're here, Chiliquilas, the people are phenomenal. And the food, bro, forget about it. Get the red and the green sauce. And get it spicy. Guys.
Next week on the 26th,
The aftermath, ladies and gentlemen.
we'll facilitate a makeup webinar. So for anybody
The
who,
aftermath.
did not
So, lunch was a hit, right, honey?
¿Cuántos? ¿10? ¿Tendrá 10 pesitos?
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias, amigo. So it's important for you guys to know, once again, when you come to the gas stations in Mexico, that they're full service. My man is over here taking care of us. That's him right there in the background. And yeah, like they will literally pull up and they'll fill your car up for you. And it's a great experience. I wish that they did this in the States, guys. Your boy hates pumping gas. And the homies out here got you. They got you, absolutely got you. So we're pumping this up. We're gonna fill up our tanks. We're gonna hop on the road and we are heading down to Chichen Itza. They literally do everything for you. Everything for you. Okay, one thing you guys will notice when you start driving in Merida is there's absolutely, once again, there's no lanes, bro. Like, there's no lanes. People just kind of drift wherever the hell they want to go. There is absolutely no defining lanes. So you'll have people that try to create their lanes, but they'll just drive past you. And then you'll have people that like get up next to you and then will just hop in front of you. There's literally no lanes. Coming from the United States of America, that is mind-boggling to me.
Alright guys, so we're about 45 minutes into our drive, right?
No, we're about an hour into our drive. We're about 45 minutes from our first destination.
Okay, so we have so far seen a new unseen tree species.
Oh, they're right there.
Oh, look. If anybody knows what those are, they're like vines, but they're trees. I've never seen those kind of trees before. So if anybody knows what those are, please educate us in the comments.
Seriously, because I've never. It's almost like it just, the earth grows it and just consumes it again.
Look at them.
And we don't even know if you can see that, by the way, what Veronica just showed you. But
something got it on. Dustin has like 12 cameras in here. If something has it, we could show you if that didn't work.
And I just hit the most beautiful bird that just flew out of like nowhere. It just flew out of the bushes into the freeway and got clapped, cuz. And like, I have no idea what lives in these jungles, but the bird was like green and yellow. It was a beautiful bird. R.I.P. to the homie, man, but the streets ain't for you, bro.
Yeah, so this drive is, I highly, highly recommend that you drive. And if you can't drive, at least take the ADO bus, because it's really nice countryside and it's just so different than anything that we've seen before. And it makes it interesting and fun to like discover and see this part that we literally would have never otherwise seen, right?
Right.
All right, next update coming soon. Okay guys, so we just exited from the 180 to the highway that takes you to Chichen Itza.
79.
Yeah, 79, and it is very different. It's like rustic, there's no lane markers, and it's a two-way highway, and like it is very overgrown and very lush.
Very lush.
And so we had to go through this little toll bridge, and we paid 110 pesos to go onto this road to take us to Chichen Itza.
Which is like $6, $7, $6 to $7.
Yeah, and I'm very excited. Like, I think I don't know what to expect right now, but I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, look. Did you guys see that?
Oh my gosh, look.
What was that? Did you see the lady? Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, I forgot to show you guys that one. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's getting crazy in this in this car right now. Go slower. We're good. Oh my gosh. We're
trying to.
I have to put this away for a second. Hold on, please. We're getting into a little town. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hold on.
Wow.
Did you see a little girl wave us over? Did you see her?
No, I missed
She
it.
waved us over. Okay, this little town is called Pizze, I think. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I think it's called Pizze. And it is little, cute, real little, oh my gosh, they have clay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you were here so I wouldn't have to just keep looking around screaming, oh my gosh.
And here's the gang
Oh my gosh,
dogs.
there's a dog fight. Oh my gosh, you guys, where are you? Why aren't you in the car
Show
with
them
us?
this.
Okay, hold on, look at these doggies.
One is missing a leg. 2 of them are missing legs.
What I can't understand is where are all these dogs coming from? It's almost like none of them are spayed or neutered, so they just keep having babies and nobody's taking care of them or something. That's the only thing I can come up with, because there's so many random dogs. Oh my gosh, this town is filled with like little businesses and community.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Calle 13.
100% everybody in this town knows exactly who everybody is, without a doubt. All right, guys, let's keep going. This is so fun. We missed Chichen Itza.
Bruh.
It closes at 4. It's 4 right now, so we're too late. So we have to come back. However, the good news is we know where it is now. And it's not far from where we're going. I don't even know that we've told you where we're going. But we're on the way, so I guess you guys will see when we get there. Stay tuned, because it's going to be awesome.
So I just hit a frog. Totally took the dude out. He hopped in the road. I couldn't stop, clapped him. All right, I'm out here taking out these creatures, man. Unfortunately, okay, you know, I'm driving. They're just jumping into the streets. Like, these roads are just full with like life and all type of stuff. All type of stuff. Wouldn't you say, baby lips?
Yes.
Guys, make the journey down to the Yucatan and take the what is it, an I-80 or the 180?
180.
The 180.
Guys, look at this cute town we just drove up on. So you guys can see what I see. Look how cute. Oh, it's so like rural, right? That's the word. Did you see that was just their police station?
That is their police station. Wow, look at this place.
I bet you they have some excelente tacos here.
Oh my goodness. I should mess around and stop. Oh, they're making tacos.
Wow,
right there.
speaking of tacos, did you guys see that? Look, a panderia.
They do have a panderia.
They have sopa de lima.
Ooh, sopa de
He was
lima.
trying to tell us to come in. Did you see him?
No, wow,
You keep
look down
missing
here.
the people telling us to come in. That guy was literally handcrafting something right there. Look at all these little nuggets.
Wow, gems.
I don't know how they get all this Coca-Cola.
Dude, did you see
Did you
that?
see those chickens?
Yeah, that's what you're eating when you go get those pollo tacos.
You would think I've never seen a chicken before, but it's just different when you see them just like existing. Okay guys, we are entering yet another cute little town on our journey. So I have to show it to you guys so we can experience it together. And by the way, there's so many like random little towns that you pass on your way. So I think when we go back to Chichen Itza, we're going to stop at a bunch of them and patronize as many as we can and just try the food and support the locals and just make a real day of it. So stay tuned for that because it's going to be a lot of fun and I'm sure quite the experience. You see this little stand right here with the dream catchers? I've completely decided that I need to buy several dream catchers because they're so cute. Look at all the hammocks over here. They literally sleep in hammocks. Like a lot of these,
Wow.
a lot of the Mayan people sleep in hammocks and not mattresses because it's more supportive to your back, and the fibers that they make the hammocks out of repel the mosquitoes.
Right.
So it's kind of a win-win. So I think Dustin and I decided that, like, for one night we might try to sleep in a hammock if we come across one that we can sleep in and stay the night in.
For one night. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a prison, bro. We are driving past a freaking prison. That is a prison.
That's a real prison.
Yeah, that's a real prison in Mexico right here, guys. So do not go to jail in Mexico because you might be right here. All right, guys, can you explain to me why there's so many fires? I don't know if you've seen that. On the side of the streets here, like in these little like highways, there's so many little fires. Trying to show you that in the rearview mirror, but yeah, so many.
We're coming into this other little town, and look, they have street lights here. They are fancy. We got some more hammocks. Holy hat! Look at that hat.
Wow.
Oh my gosh!
And those leather purses.
I almost stopped for that hat, you guys.
The hammock game here is nasty.
Undefeated.
Yeah, it's nasty. Wow, look at those.
Oh, those are cute. Look at all these hammocks.
I can't wait to come back here and like truly explore this.
Oh my gosh, look at all those dream catchers. So, oh, I have to have one of those heart things. How am I gonna
get that back to the States?
Yes.
Wow, look at this.
Look at that huge pot.
And here come the puppies. All of them. It never fails.
The dogs are undefeated in Mexico, you guys. Why are we stopped in the middle of the road? Dustin literally stopped in the middle of the street.
We were just driving and we seen one of those yellow triangular signs that normally in America would say, watch out, beware of deer crossing the street, or beware of cow crossing the street. This sign had a jaguar on it. It literally said, beware of jaguar crossing the street, bro. Jaguars. Did you guess where we're going? Are you still struggling? I'm questioning where we're going at this point, guys. Beware of jaguars.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape